on the sack and dog, floating on a slippery log, sleeping in a frozen bog. My girls are waiting for me, hard-boiled eggs 3 times a day. Wet as beavers, we hit the hay. Not much sleep, but great good pay. My girls are waiting for me. Big French Joe and I went out to break a jam when I heard him shout, "Prenez garde," then the jam went out. But my girl's waiting for me. Big French Joe, the logs drowned him. He had no chance to fight or swim with the logs jammed up to the river's rim. My girls are waiting for me. Well, his girl comes to me and cries, "If he's dead, then I shall die." My petite, he used to sigh. My girls are waiting for me. We will find him down below, around the bend where the water is slow, floating with his pike in tow. My girls are waiting for me. My petite will wring her hand as we scrape away at the yellow sand and bury him by the river strand. My girls are waiting for me. It's one more night and one more day. The logs will reach that river bay. I'll skin off these togs and I will say, my girl's waiting for me. My girls are waiting for me. Thank you very much.